Like many other institutions in the country, the Uganda Police Force has had to contend with the COVID-19 pandemic and its effects on operations. Recently, access to the police headquarters at Naguru was restricted after a senior police officer tested positive for COVID-19. Now, Kawempe Police Station in Kampala has also limited its operations to handling only emergency cases after a suspect who had been held in custody there tested positive for COVID-19. This latest incident has raised concerns about the health and safety precautions police has in place while handling suspects and other members of the public.
Our Directorate of Medical Services have provided us with PPEs. They have provided all the police stations and cells with the washing where we wash our hands and sanitizers.
The congestion in the holding police cells of many police stations remains a concern.
In Kampala here, in the major stations like CPS here, the suspects that enter in the cells, the procedure is they must first bathe with soap before they join their colleagues. We also take temperature for each and everyone who enters our station now as a matter of procedure. We also take temperatures of the suspects that enter our cells.
Onyango says the police health unit is taking necessary steps towards preventing the spread of COVID-19. Because the Kawempe suspect was 15 years old and his COVID-19 status became known as he was preparing to go to Naguru remand home, the conditions in the country's remand homes in relation to COVID-19 standard operating procedures has also come into focus.
In fact, we suspended visits to all these remand homes to restrict new admissions, because you never know, somebody could have contracted the infection from outside and will go and infect the rest of the juveniles in these centers.
To date, the country's largest number of cases in a single day was recorded on August 22nd, with 318 cases. Out of these, 154 were from Amul prison. This has led to the Uganda Prison Service to put in place measures to prevent the further spread of COVID-19 in the country's crowded prisons. The latest efforts by police and the juvenile remand homes will go some way in improving the situation in the country's different correction and detention facilities.